Parking scarce in Atlanta. Sometimes we are resigned to leaving our vehicle in the hands of people we do not know, but only 18 days into the year, Atlanta police say they have had 6 reports of cars stolen from valets at restaurants, hotels, and about. Wednesday morning, police responded to a call about 3 cars stolen from a valet on Far Road. And while they are sympathetic, the department says security is a business's responsibility. In a statement, APD says it can't give valet companies on-site security. They will increase patrols where these crimes are common, but ultimately it is the company's job to keep an eye on those keys.
There is a transfer